Aprilia's RS660, a middleweight sport bike, returns for 2025, accompanied by its enhanced counterpart, the RS660 Factory. Aprilia has achieved considerable success with the standard RS660, collecting numerous victories and championships both internationally and domestically. Nonetheless, the limitations imposed by €5+ standards necessitated modifications by Aprilia. Consequently, a minor change for the RS660. Aprilia aims to convey that the bike has undergone a comprehensive redesign, asserting that the fairings have been entirely reconfigured. Although that may be technically accurate, anyone observing the 2025 RS660 will not mistake it for anything else. It continues to maintain the dual-layer architecture characteristic of previous RS660 models. The most significant alteration this year is the winglet position beneath the headlight. Additionally, there are two tiny wings positioned below the main winglet to enhance high-speed stability. We are all aware of the primary function of these wings in relation to downforce and aerodynamics. Nevertheless, Aprilia also emphasizes their secondary role in redirecting hot air from the engine and radiator away from the rider. The 660 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine is now compliant with €5+ standards and has received a little power increase to 105 horsepower, up from 100, due to the larger 52mm throttle bodies, an increase from the previous 48mm size. The APRC system's electronics remain unchanged and continue to receive assistance from the 6-axis IMU. Adjustable traction control, wheelie control, cruise control, and engine brake control will be available, with the addition of launch control for 2025. This includes the bidirectional quickshifter, several engine settings, and cornering ABS. The cyclist receives all this information on a 5-inch TFT display. Consistent with Aprilia's tradition of introducing enhanced RS models, the new RS660 Factory makes its premiere alongside the standard RS660. The primary distinction is in the use of Öhlins suspension. The 43mm NIX30 series fork and SDX46 shock absorber with an integrated reservoir are entirely adjustable for rebound and compression damping, in addition to spring preload. The two-tone seat and updated artwork, with black on the sides and red on the upper section, differentiate the factory edition from the standard model. It is unsurprising that a diverse array of accessories is offered. One of the more intriguing options is the auxiliary single-seat unit that substitutes the passenger seat. It not only diminishes the bike's weight but also provides the rider with additional space to recline for enhanced aerodynamic protection. Aprilia asserts that this, along with the enhanced engine, enables the RS660 Factory to achieve a maximum speed of 149 miles per hour. Aprilia has collaborated with Alpinestars to create a collection of gear, including jackets and gloves, designed to complement the RS660. The pricing in the U.S. is established at $11,649 for the base model and $13,999 for the RS660 Factory.